What's up guys, RB here, and today we'll be using Filmora 13 to create a cinematic video, using all the effects, music, titles, and whatever else we need to make that cinema-like experience. We're also going to be having a look at the new Smart Search feature. Let's take a look at it now.
Wow!
What is the meaning of this?
See the gums, they call me, burnt ash trees and dust. The healing touch of soot and growth, green shoots reach for skies above. I sit and ponder inwards on the fear that drew me here. The weight of life, mistakes made right, or future paths I wonder. My old friend Kookaburra, who laughs as day does break, I wonder if your joy is true, or masks a sad refrain. I think of family loved and gone, of memories shared with friends moved on, of sweethearts, pets and broken dreams, and all the worries in between. Ground feels strong beneath my feet. I watch as grass sways in the breeze. I'm gently rocked like mother sings. I feel so small beneath the trees. The bushland grows and moves around. My presence here is barely felt. This ancient space shares stories old, when time began and life unfolds. But it will stay when I'm long gone, as footprints covered up by growth. But for this brief time we sat together, dear bushland, my heart's protector.
And that's a wrap guys, hopefully you enjoyed my video today, and I'll see you next time.